Hello everybody, and thank you for coming back to yet another YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to discuss how you can find profitable products from Aliexpress to resell. I mentioned in the last video how I started doing reselling by sourcing headphones from Aliexpress and then reselling them on eBay. To begin sourcing products from Aliexpress.com, go on the website and look for products you would personally purchase. Once you found an interesting product, go on eBay.com and literally copy and paste the title from Aliexpress into eBay. Compare what the product is selling for on AliExpress and eBay, and take into account what you will be earning on each item after fees and shipping. An optimal margin is somewhere around 25% after you take into account the 14% eBay and PayPal fees. Shipping can also vary from $2.66 on smaller items to over $6 on items over a pound. I suggest you source products that are selling for more than $15 on eBay. In my opinion, the margins on items that sell under $15 are just too small. It really takes time to find a winning product from AliExpress, but once you find one, it can be very rewarding. Once you find a product on AliExpress that you want to resell on eBay, spend 20 to 50% of your startup capital to do a test inventory purchase. This will ensure that you do not lose all of your startup capital on one bad investment. If these first products are successful, purchase more and continue reselling this item. Don't be afraid to expand your store into having multiple items, as this will bring your business huge profits. All in all, reselling items from AliExpress is a great business model. I didn't have a lot of capital when I started reselling, so AliExpress was a great way for me to build startup money and learn all about online sales. If you guys are interested, I have some of my favorite books about building a business linked in the description. These books could really help you better understand online sales and how to build an actual online business. I read all these books listed below before or while I was building my online store, so I definitely suggest you guys check these books out and consider purchasing them to expand your knowledge. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I have some of my favorite movies listed below for those of you that don't like to read books. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you made it to the end, if you enjoyed today's video, please like it and be one of the first to subscribe to my YouTube channel.